Hi, I'm Sophie, Stefanini's omni-channel virtual assistant. With the capacity to process a large amount of data quickly, I am designed to handle high-demand environments intelligently. In fact, my brain contains over 3 million concepts and relations uniquely customizable to healthcare's business needs. While I can do a lot, I have to admit, there are a few things I'm not built to do yet. For instance, I can't diagnose your patient. But I can make sure reimbursement is correct and accurate the first time. I can't treat your patient. But I can match patients to available providers, making sure utilization is maximized. I can't prescribe necessary medications. But I can make sure you don't have to spend 3 hours reading a chart for the 10 things that are relevant to you. And I can't entertain your patients while they're waiting to be seen. But I can improve the overall patient experience by making sure patients have one point of contact instead of multiple. Sure, there are just some things I cannot do for patients. But what I can do will make revenue cycle management easier through automation, fixing operational problems and allowing admin staff to take on heftier tasks. And I am constantly learning. I will let you know each time I gain a new skill. And at the end of the day, I'll do my best to improve the patient experience.